Congratulations on the purchase of your Acoucou battery. I am Roland. You can find me over on YouTube at Roll2 Videos. So in this video, I just want to go over some parameter settings that you're going to need to set up on your new battery. First things first, you're going to want to download the Smart BMS app to control the DALI BMS. You can find this in the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. So after you download the app, your home screen is going to look like this. You're going to want to click on local monitoring. And as you can see, I do not have any showing Bluetooth devices on here. That is because the DALI BMS goes to sleep after a certain amount of time. So we need to wake up the Bluetooth module on the DALI BMS. You can do this either by charging or discharging the battery. So I have a bench power supply here, and you can see you Roll2 Videos. That's what I have renamed the device to be. I'll also show you that in the app. After connecting, you can see all the different stats of the battery. I'm currently sitting at 100%. This is after charging. Now when you click on the parameters page at the bottom right corner, you're going to see a page like this. Now here's some of the settings we need to change. So you can see cell voltage high protection. We actually need to change that to 3.65. What that's going to do is each cell, if one cell goes above 3.65, it's going to cut the whole pack. It should never happen, but this is why we have protections. The password is simply 123456. You're only going to have to put the password in one time, and then you can change all these settings. Next time you go to change anything, you would have to put the password back in. So we have cell low voltage protection. We're actually going to want to increase this to 2.5. And again, if one of these cells go below 2.5, it's going to cut the whole pack off, which is going to protect the cells. Some high voltage protection. This is going to be 14.6. And then some low voltage protection. We're going to put that at 10 volts. The difference protection, so if one of the cells goes more than 0.8 volts out, it's going to also cut the pack. That can stay the same. Charging over current protection, we're going to change that to 100 amps. And then the discharging, we're going to change that also to 100 amps. Now next on the list, if you can see at the top under protection parameters, beside that is cell characteristics. So we're going to click on that. Balance open start voltage. We want to start that at 3.4 volts. So what happens is when your battery's charging, once one of the cells hits 3.4, if the other ones are lagging far behind, it's going to bring them up. And that is going to top balance your battery. So this is going to set when the balance is going to start for how far out the cells are. So we're going to go to 0.2. That is the lowest we can set, which is going to be most ideal. Collect board settings. Next one, we don't need to change anything here. This is all good. Temperature protection. The charging low temperature protection, we're going to want to put to 0 degrees. That way, if it's below freezing, it's not going to allow you to charge to save the cells. Discharging high temperature, we'll put that down at 65. The low temperature protection for discharging, we're going to put that to minus 20 degrees. Different temp protection, 15, we can leave that. MOSFETs 47, that's fine. And here on the last page, you can see under device name how I had changed it to Roll2 Videos. And that is it. That is all you need to do to set up the parameters of your DALI BMS with the Acoucou battery. Thank you for watching. Again, you can find me over at YouTube at Roll2 Videos.